Can you remember last time you had a really good laugh? Laughter is said to be the best medicine. And there's lots of evidence that laughter does lots of good things to us in every way. Maybe if we took into cognizance the health and physical benefits of laughter, we would laugh all the time. Even when you are alone, just think and remember something you saw or heard at some point, somewhere that made you crack your ribs, or something someone said sometime that was very funny, and when you remember, just start laughing. Do that. Laughter is free. So laugh. Here are 10 health benefits of laughter that you probably haven't known. 1. Laughter helps to create a positive mood. It allows the expression of happiness and the release of anxiety. Humor eases tension and is a great antidote to stressful situations. Laughter is often seen as a temporary break from everyday problems, bringing us to a beautiful place in which worries cease to exist. Humor and laughter are natural safety valves that shut off certain hormones that are released during stressful situations. Laughter relaxes the whole body, relieving tension and stress. It has been shown that following a good, hearty laugh, muscles in the body are relaxed for up to about 45 minutes afterward. So, always laugh, it improves your mood and will improve your quality of life. 2. Laughter reduces pain and allows us to tolerate discomfort. It's a natural pain reliever. Another effect of the endorphins we release when we laugh is to reduce the sensation of pain. Laughter as natural analgesic, its ability to relieve pain is often greater than that of the medicines we buy at the pharmacy. Always remember, when you release endorphins, you reduce pains. So laugh. 3. It boosts the immune system. It may amaze you to learn that when we have a good laugh, we multiply our antibodies, which assist our body in fighting infections and diseases. The more antibodies we have, the more likely we'll be able to avoid colds and the less likely we are to get sick. Experts confirms that laughing boosts our overall quality of life and helps to cure common symptoms and ailments that could escalate to serious life-threatening diseases. So do you believe now when we say, laughter is the best medicine? You have to believe, because it really is true. 4. Laughter enhances job performance, hence increases productivity, especially if your work depends on creativity and solving complex problems. Employers should even consider bringing comedians to workstations, as this will have a positive effect on the employee's output. 5. Laughter connects people emotionally. Its role in intimate relationships is vastly underestimated, and it really is the glue of good relationships and marriages. It synchronizes the brains of both the speaker and listener so that they are emotionally attuned. Have you ever had a friend, partner, neighbor, colleague, with sense of humor? Many times, a lot of us like being around them because they make us laugh, and for that moment we forget our problems. 6. It helps burn calories. Laughter is sometimes referred to as inner jogging. Because a hearty laugh gives the muscles of the face, chest, shoulders, stomach and diaphragm a good workout. 7. Laughter improves the flow of oxygen to the heart and brain. It's good for your heart and brain, two organs that require the steady flow of oxygen carried in the blood. 8. It reduces blood sugar levels. Laughter and humor have been shown to lower blood glucose levels, and reduce the risk of microvascular complications such as kidney damage, retina damage and nerve damage. 9. It reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Laughter improves the function of blood vessels and increases blood flow, which can help protect against a heart attack and other cardiovascular problems. 10. Laughter helps to balance the impact of mental stress. What laughter does is rewire your mental space and improve your daily operations. The joy that laughter brings to our day-to-day life can impact our creativity and our perspective. A doctor's report advised that you try to laugh on a regular basis. This is a prescription that cost very little but could save your life. He prescribed that 30 minutes of exercise 3 times a week, and 15 minutes of laughter on a daily basis is probably great for the vascular system. If you have a sense of humor, then God has blessed you with a great gift of saving lives, so don't take it for granted. Or you have a friend or relative with a good sense of humor, never let them go. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Always laugh. Laughter is the best medicine. Never forget that. Once again, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in our next video.